This is the first clip of my first vlog camera, and it's been a long time since I've vlogged, and I know y'all missed me, so here I am. I'm back. So today is November 22nd. So the reason for me buying this camera, one, I wanted to document our wedding series, which we are getting married December 18th. Which is about less than 30 days. It's been kind of nerve-wracking. At the same time, it's been really chill. So yeah, I kind of stopped vlogging because my previous camera had gotten messed up. For some reason, it wouldn't turn on anymore, and I didn't have a warranty on it, so that was a lost cause. And then I was vlogging through my phone, like my iPhone, and it just took too much memory on my cloud and such, and then trying to transfer the videos onto my MacBook, it was just too much. So I just took a little break off from vlogging, and like I said, it's really nice to be back. Girl, I miss just recording parts of my life, you know. So I look forward to this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. How do we turn this off? Good morning. Good morning, Kuna. You're just a lazy dog this morning. Good morning. Hey guys. So this morning I'm actually off from work. I'm actually off for the rest of the week for Thanksgiving. But today's plan, Steve and I are actually going to go to the restaurant that we're going to be having the reception at, and they offered us a free meal there. We've already tried it before, but we're just going to go ahead and just go there just to answer some questions and talk to them about like setup, talk to them about, you know, because we do have some people that are vegetarian, so we're going to see what the options are there. Aside from that, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower real quick and kind of get some makeup on, and then just kind of get my morning started and get a coffee going. We just went to Ding Tea after going to photo show. Got brown sugar milk tea, soda tea. Hey guys, so I'm currently on the way to go pick up Taevy. Steven's at home sleeping because he had work this morning. We're probably gonna go to probably like Marshall's or Hobby Lobby just to get some Christmas stuff. I wanted to wait until she came over to help me out to decorate our house and such. Say hi, Taevy. Starbucks. Oh no. Going to Hobby Lobby.
Hi guys, it's me, Taevy.
And Auntie Tina.
Welcome to our first
cooking video. So today we're going to be making spaghetti. So tell us, what do we have?
We have cut meat.
Sausages.
And we have garlic.
This is garlic. What's this?
Onions. We have
spaghetti sauce.
We have spaghetti sauce and parsley flakes, and we have oil, black pepper, and spaghetti noodles.
And then we have the ground beef thawing out in the sink right now.
Can I mix it?
Yeah. There you go. We're gonna have you pour it in. Be careful.
How much are we putting?
Pour all of it in. We'll pour it slowly. Perfect.
Yeah,
Ooh, you like a lot of cheese? Okay. All right, let's do mine.
Ready?
Yep. You can do more. I'll tell you to stop. I like a lot of cheese too. That's good. Yummy. Thanks. Was it hot? Okay, good. Good?
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Let's try. Let's mix it up first.
Oh, I did. I mixed mine up.
I like to mix mine really good. Put the toppings all over it. Okay, now just slap it in and eat it.
Thumbs up. Instead of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, I got the Leaning Tower of Water Bottle. Almost done with my spaghetti. She's about there.
Hey guys, so we got some ornaments and we're gonna set up the Christmas tree. And there's my aunt. She's fixing up the camera thing. So we're just gonna wait and I'm gonna show you a little tour. So this is the shelf. And here's like the ornaments and stuff. We went to Hobby Lobby and some other stores to get new stuff. We have the Christmas tree, the pretty Christmas tree.
So, I guess we'll start with this one first.
Yeah.
The garland first. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. So, Steve and I are about to leave to go over to my aunt's house. And, hold on, let me start his car.
This?
Steven is finishing up on the ham this year. So if they ask, it's actually Steven making the ham
No, it's
this
not.
year. Yep.
Nope.
Choose magnify. Hold up. Let me see. Damn, this quality is so nice. I keep staring at the camera up top. Go.
Hey guys, it's me, Taevy.
And Auntie Tina. And welcome to our first cooking channel. Or
Video.
we'll redo that. Wait, do that again.
You can do channel if you want.
No, let's do cooking video. Cooking video. All right, go ahead.
Hey guys, it's me, Taevy.
And me. I'm so bad. No, redo.